Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a classic Negroni cocktail. This iconic drink is surprisingly simple, requiring just 3 core ingredients: gin, sweet vermouth, and Campari. The beauty of the Negroni lies in its perfect balance, achieved by using equal parts of each. Let's gather our ingredients and get started on crafting this timeless aperitivo. Now, let's mix. Take your mixing glass and fill it with ice. Then, pour in 1 ounce of gin, 1 ounce of sweet vermouth, and 1 ounce of Campari. Stir these ingredients gently for about 30 seconds. This chilling process is crucial, as it dilutes the drink just enough to mellow its flavors and bring it to the perfect temperature. Once your Negroni is perfectly chilled, it's time to serve. Strain the cocktail from your mixing glass into an old-fashioned glass. We recommend adding a large, fresh ice cube to keep it cold without over-diluting. For the classic finish, express the oils from a fresh orange peel over the drink, then drop it in. This adds a wonderful aromatic touch. And there you have it, a perfectly crafted Negroni. This cocktail is celebrated for its complex yet balanced profile, offering a delightful interplay of bitter and sweet notes. It's an ideal choice for an aperitivo, stimulating the appetite before a meal. With just 3 ingredients and a straightforward method, you can easily master this timeless classic. Cheers!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.